Okay.
2010, 2011, 2000. Hello folks, back again. Welcome to today's episode of How to Clean the Spa Fitness Equipment. We're gonna grab our rag, we're gonna grab our peroxide, and let's get to work. So first we're gonna start up top. As you can see right here, you might wanna go ahead and just bring this down to a nice level where you can clean everything up. Go ahead. Spray not too crazy, you're just gonna need a little bit.
And don't let go because it'll slam up.
Very true.
Take care of our equipment.
Exactly. You know, save money so we can go get some bikes and stuff. So we're gonna clean it just like this. Make sure you get under the equipment. You don't wanna just get on top. The back end over here. You wanna make sure the back end, you wanna make sure that you get the black piece, this piece right here, and this piece. For time purposes, we're not gonna do all that. We're just gonna show you. Just like the other equipment, to adjust the equipment, you have an orange lever right here. It will adjust the knee and thigh pad for you to help you keep you stationary. Definitely want to clean this, and you can go ahead and spray that for me. That'd be amazing. God bless you. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and wipe it. When you wipe it, get a nice little rotation going to help yourself out. So when you know you're back at the beginning, go ahead and get this one too. Nice little rotation. Kind of like a donut getting glazed, you know what I mean? Just a nice little rotation going on anyways. So we're gonna definitely get right here because this is where the buttocks goes, and
The gluteus maximus.
you don't know where people, like, we're not gonna get into that today. So we're gonna just go over here and we're gonna, you know, get to the back of the machine over here. Come on, come down. There we go. We're gonna make sure we get a nice clean. You can get a spray or two right here for me. God bless you. We're gonna go ahead and make sure. You don't need to use too much of the peroxide. It's very, very strong. You wanna make sure when you're cleaning this equipment that we don't have a guest in here, because if we do have a guest in here, the peroxide, you know, might get in their nose, their eyes, and we're gonna get complaints. And that's how you lose a star. We don't wanna lose a star. Anyway, so we're gonna bring it over here. Come this way. Don't be afraid to get down and dirty. All right, so we're gonna get down here, clean this part right here. The black pad, it's gonna get dirty all the time. So when it gets dirty, you just clean it, but you're gonna have to put some extra back into it. We can talk about that some other day. And then, like Christina talked about with the shoulder press over here, just wanna make sure that you get the front side, the cup holders, the cell phone placer, and the back side. Always remember to get the back side. A lot of people don't see the back side, but the back side is very important. When Forbes comes here, they will look at the back side. Thanks for joining us. Have a great one.